In this video, I am going to talk about how you can become a data entry professional with no skill or no previous experience. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share with friends. Also press bell icon for latest updates. Since data entry is the easiest way to make money online for beginners, many of you have an interest in being a part of it, and I know you have a lot of questions about data entry. From this video, you will learn what are the requirements to become a data entry professional and what do you need to do to start a complete beginner. Now let's talk about the first question: what are the requirements to become a data entry professional? Data entry job consists of following steps: copying, pasting, typing, collecting information, transferring information, web researching. It could be copying or writing information from a book to a document. Microsoft Word data could be transferred from an online source to an Excel file or a Word file. Sometimes we only need to edit Excel files, and sometimes PDF to PowerPoint or PowerPoint to any other format. The first recommendation is basic knowledge of computer, and it is very easy that you can be able to install Windows, install any other software, reinstalling it, creating folders and transferring files. The next one is the file format. You must know how many types of file formats to convert them any other format. The next one is to have the basic communication skill in English. Many freshmen are afraid of this part, but this is not so complicated. If you cannot understand what your customer is talking about and what they are looking for, so you must understand what he wants. The next requirement are having a better search online. If your customer are trying to say that I need the list of best companies in Atlanta with the website location, name and phone numbers, then they should find the information online, which is very easy. The next one is good typing speed that will help you get more data entry jobs and you will be able to complete the data entry job. The idea and exactly how you can gain experience in data entry jobs without getting involved in real projects. Now let's talk about what you need to do to start as a complete beginner. My first tip would be that you should watch videos about the Word and Excel. You can get a basic understanding by watching videos available on YouTube, and let me show you exactly what I have to do. Go to youtube.com and do a basic Microsoft Word search and find lots of tutorials, and if you watch the videos you will be able to learn more than enough for the basic data entry jobs. The same work you need to do for MS Excel. Go to YouTube and find the basic MS Excel tutorials. And for file converting, go to my channel on MyTechPlus, and here you will find YouTube MP3 converter, PDF to PPT means PowerPoint converter online free, edit PDF text online free, and convert email to PDF with Google Chrome, how to convert PDF to Word and earn money, and how to convert handwriting files into Word. Thanks for watching MyTechPlus online earning. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notification.